Union Environment Minister cautions people to save water bodies for the future generation. Governor Najma Heptulla opens international conference, stresses significance of cultural relation among people. Chauba accuses Chief Minister Ibobi of misleading the people on special status category. And students lock A block of Manipur University demanding admission for 2016-17 session. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangdam bringing you the top stories. Union Minister of State for Environment, Forests and Climate Change Anil Madhav Dave cautioned that if the water bodies are not conserved, the generations to come will not even have a bottle of water to drink. The Union Minister, who is on a two-day visit to Imphal, held a meeting with the officials of Forest Department at State Forest Head Office after his arrival today. Briefing the media persons after the meeting, he said the issue pertaining to the Loktak part will be resolved after studying how the lake will be preserved. He said every state of the country has the potential to produce bamboo abundantly. The minister said if bamboo products are produced and used in making a furniture, it will help in reducing deforestation.
Each and every water body, small or a big, each and every river, medium, small or a large, it must be preserved properly because the generation to come, if we will not preserve, they may not have even a water bottle. Tomorrow I am going to visit the lake first. So I will see the water banks, habitat, surroundings, and then after how to preserve it and what best can be done to it. I will look into that, and whatever crises and problems are there, that will be addressed properly.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla has stressed the relevance and role of culture in maintaining relations among the people. Inaugurating the two-day international conference on Northeast India, Myanmar ethnic and cultural linkages today at Manipur University Court Hall, she observed that cultural relations run deeper than any other relation among people. Dr. Heptulla said being a neighbor, Myanmar played a significant role in spread of Indian culture, trade and commerce, philosophy and many other through land to Southeast Asian countries. The governor mentioned that records have shown that Ahoms, Chamois, Fakes, Aitons, Tarungs and Kamyangs moved to India from Shan state of Yunnan and Myanmar. In the same way, Naga, Kuki, Mizos and Lucias entered Northeast India from Myanmar. She was hopeful that a visit of Myanmar Foreign Minister Aung San Suu Kyi to India will improve the cultural ties between the two countries. Member Secretary of Indira Gandhi National Centre of Arts, New Delhi, Professor Sachidananda Joshi in his speech said an MOU with Manipur University will help in promoting the cultural and other relations between India and Myanmar. The conference is jointly organized by Indira Gandhi National Centre of Arts, New Delhi and Manipur University.
The cultural bond between Northeast India and Myanmar extend to the field of literature. I believe that cultural relations run deeper than any other relation among the people, as there were no strict concept of geographical frontier in the ancient time. I think the university, both Myanmar and also the Indira Gandhi Center for which you have come, IGMC, will have collaboration in furthering and strengthening the relation between India, Southeast Asia as such.
People today held the 16th Manipur Integrity and Solidarity Day observance at Lamyanba Shanglin in Palace Compound. The event was held to strengthen the unity and integrity of Manipur. Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalub and National Identity Protection Committee jointly organized the event. Representatives of various civil society organizations and several individuals took part in the discussion. Speakers at the observance said the events that occurred in the wake of the ceasefire agreement agreement signed between the NSC and IM and the Government of India reminded the people that the integrity of the state need to be protected. They cautioned that ad hoc approach to the problem cannot resolve the issues in a state like Manipur where various ethnic communities lived together.
Chingi political leaders na, Tamgi political leaders na, Anis Dista, Manipuri Hongaiba Simba, Matamgi Yamona Sibu, Kangabra, Karmaito Amato, Yamaikai, Zain Troyamana Maikai, Aigi Hak Kanbamaikai Rota, I quit Ras Itiwala, Ching Amasum Tap, Madama Kwiki Matuki Mahili Rabra, Toning Bra, Toning the Bra, Maranai Kateki, Oiba. Rajniti tawre heraga maranai kateke khallabra senior khoigi mangda tan lambisi.
The mudslinging among the political leaders continue as the 2017 assembly election is getting closer. BJP Manipur Pradesh State Election Management Committee Thaunautam Chauba today challenged the Congress party that it cannot win more than 2 seats out of 6 seats in Bishnupur district. Addressing media persons at BJP head office in Nityai Pachutek, former BJP Manipur Pradesh President said Chief Minister made a statement at political conference at Kurai that special category status for Northeast including Manipur was scrapped by BJP-led NDA government. He accused the Chief Minister of misleading the public by making such statement. Chauba said the special category status was removed following reports sent by Ibobi-led Congress government to Raghuram Ranjan committee during Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's tenure. He added that in case the government had agreed to people's demand for the construction of sports university at Kautruk, then by this year the centre could have allotted an additional rupees 1,000 crore. He asked how the bill can be passed at Parliament when cases are still going on regarding the Yaithavi local land. BJP Manipur Pradesh spokesperson N. Mangi said the party wants the government to do trial of Taubal multi-purpose project 15 days before its inauguration. He also pointed out the thick coverage of plants on canals in the area.
Fencing Karage Lapaganda, Migi Kiestauriba, low single Mununda Yokshan later. Clear with the port. Para Sarkar Parliament Potopaya de Lamasi and clear where Wakanda, Lok Savada passed over Raja Savada Lakadavani. Raja Savagi passed over Kanda, Baraki percent SNP Gadavani. Matamada University Shaba Hogudurvani. Punamak Tenda Livase, hidden agenda Magimanunda. YTV Loko Natraria de, Hibada Sikang Hang the labor. Kangsupta Leriba, Karimta Pashasu Tingarodoba. Prajana Suyaraba, Manipur Sarkana Supibang Mapalam, Tahani Manunda Home Manunda Piramavadi, Karor Chamasu Sijanarani, next year, exactly a budget Tahini Sangapada, Kuruli Singam Hapayaram Gadabani.
MPCC Treasurer and Sugnu MLA K. Ranjit said prizes could have been awarded to the 2 BJP MLAs that had demanded the details of the framework agreement of the NSC and IM and Government of India peace talk, like the way they protested against the cancellation of recruitment of police constables held in 2013. Speaking at the event welcoming the 10 councillors of Wangoi Municipal Council and Thongkong Lakshmi Bazar Nagar Panchayat and 20 ward members who have recently joined the Congress, MLA Ranjit said the protest by the 2 MLAs against the cancellation of recruitment of police constables diminished the prestige of the MLAs. He maintained that the NSC and IM is trying to disturb the integrity of Manipur. However, he warned that the framework agreement between NSC and IM and the centre cannot threaten the integrity of the state. Ranjit said the 2 MLAs should have urged the Prime Minister to make public the framework agreement and threaten to resign as MLA if they are not made public.
Please go to the court. No, China student organization ki type da apoi nung na thadana ban dawna lambi thadana to we type the MLA mara somai chathra bai se apoi MLA apoi jatna mangai oi try da adu wada to gi mahutta lengbiro BJP ki afawal leadership Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri unabiro Pradhan Mantri ka deadline bibiro how give August ki tang 2015 da to ba aron be agenda do Manipur ki praja ne am khangenge madu khangan dio si bhaw ki tarikh si ki manungda masi lo kokradi akhoi BJP ki toy ga na thengai na ga la bio khoi yar ko ta khoi lei pare do chage.
Oinam Block Congress Committee felicitated Dr. I. Ibohalbi on his joining the Congress Party at a function held at Oinam Block Congress Committee Hall, Oinam Bazaar. MPCC member Dr. Y. Jiten, who once represented Oinam in the State Assembly, expressed his support for Dr. I. Ibohalbi. Thongju MLA Thongam Biswajit today appealed to leaders of all political parties not to politicize the distribution of central schemes such as old-age pension scheme. Biswajit made a statement while distributing old-age pension to the elderly persons organized by Sajau Memorial Trust at his residence in Ningthom Thom in connection with Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyaya birth centenary celebration. He accused some political leaders of pretending of sponsoring the central schemes and appealed to them to stop doing so. He said the central schemes should benefit the beneficiaries. Sajau Memorial Trust has been annually giving pensions to 785 elders and 55 disabled persons.
We lie with Jinsiki, we chop what rubber, and we lie with Jinsiki. I put Panama the Makta, Mahama Shilamba, Mayam Macau, Baraki Prime Minister, Sungo leaders in the life of the Limaco, Haida, Equimasi, Maki, the Riva Centenary celebration, Marie Lena, I see Aquina, anybody, Kanakumba, Rajniti, Wala Kanguna, Central sponsors Kimamugi Makada, Equigi, Leriva, India government, state government of people, Posesibu. Pension yen by Yakshan Laga, I point out Ishana people don't Harakana of Sera, Tobusina, Tobiganu, Havasima, I have the coming.
Hianglam Gram Panchayat Women Development Committee organized a meeting at the residence of Maibam Dhanabir at Hianglam Awang Laikai today. The meeting resolved to support Maibam Dhanabir, who will contest the 10th Assembly election as BJP candidate. About 700 women attended the meeting.
Kendra Humpu Laibasida, Akoi Hianglam Kendra, Kaidi and a Pibam Sui, Lampi Tong, Adegi Akoi Tai Kong, Ade Isim Janaba, Maigi, Karigi, Hyper problems, Adukimatic Sue. How young no Kitan Taba Matamda, Bazar Kaiten Katoka Imai Bell, Akoi Kuyo, young way, Adum Puta, and Adum Sali, Masikari, they no have a matam, the Aquina election Matamda, candidate Matic Java Tagal Hogava. Kaidagi Matic Chada, Halaga Tagal, Ubadagi, Nasi Dequagi, Kendri, Waybaco, Yanglam, Matic Kibam Soter.
Primary member of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Dr. Mainam Binota Khetrimayum said she intended to contest in Singtamai on BJP ticket in the 11th Assembly polls. She said she left her government job to serve the people of Singtamai. Binota, however, stated that she will not contest the election if she does not get the party ticket but support the BJP candidate.
भारत की ओइना एनडीए सरकार की मखादा लाकलिबा मोदी जी की पुरैबा अहोंबा अचौबसे मसीबु थमोइदा यामना कलक्चबा अदगी थमोइदा यामना फिदमनिंगाय ओइजबा पोट अमनि हाइना लौजरगा मागी तुंग इंजरगा सिंगजमे प्रजा सिंगनसु आइबु सपोर्ट तौबिबा अमदि तौबिनि हाइना थोकपिरैबा मयाम सिंगजेगी मफमदसु आइ नोलुपु उच्चरी मखातानसु मयामगी अपाम्बा करिनो केंद्र सिगी दरकार लेबना करिनो कदोम द माइके से पुगदगे हाइबगी खोंगफम से सेटना यंगजरगा आइगी विजन अमगा लोइनना मिशन अम मांगदा थमजरगा आइ फिरेब से लौजरकपन.
The dead body of a man of about 22 years was found on the road between Taubal, Tangjeng and Moijing. People in their early morning walk saw the body this morning. A driving license issued in the name of Tauchom Dinesh Kwakaithel Thiam Laikai was found in the body. The cause of the death is yet to be established. Manipur University Entrance Exam Committee and Manipur University Student Union have locked the university's A block demanding admission of students of 2016-17 session. The two student bodies asked the staff to leave their rooms before locking the block. They said they will not open the A block until the Academy Council decides a time for admissions in its meeting. Moshu President Chingsubam Malem Ton said on September 26, Manipur University Entrance Exam Demand Committee and Manipur University Students Union signed a memorandum of understanding with the Vice Chancellor. According to the MOU, the Academic Council will hold a meeting on October 4th to discuss the admission of students for the academic session 2016 and 17. However, the VC told the students yesterday that the MOU will not be valid.
Apam matamda authority na hariba khoi pangthokiba entrance test asi merit list thoga admission process thun dawdabani nahan bisina akhoi ga musuga hariba entrance thagiba satra meheroga unabada date for academic council pangthokani hairaga date for pangthoba ngamoi habase mas delay tactic saitare authority ge asung ma thonga se musuna condemn tawi mahero sing mangan ge khana authority na pangthokba thongsil ne han lawi Kadigumba authority na sugumba decision je law ti phawba khoi academy block chinjangani dai matam chupage.
Joint Students Coordination Committee JSCC slammed the Manipur University for releasing press note in response to JSCC press note over the issue Manipur University admissions. JSCC asked the MU Vice Chancellor to adopt central reservation policy during the Academic Council meeting on October 4 to start the admission process. Former Health Services Director Dr. Suresh has condemned the storming of Women's Voluntary Organization at Kaishamthong, Laishom Leirak by his daughter's husband, Laishram Ronald, on the 24th of this month. Dr. Suresh today told media persons at his residence at Kaishamthong, Laishom Leirak, that his daughter and Ronald, son of Dr. Sukumar of Kaishamthong, Hodam Leirak, are now living separately. He said on that day around 8 p.m, Ronald, along with 14 persons, forcefully entered the office of Women's Voluntary Organization and inquired about his daughter. The locals, however, drove them away.
Mapam ledana ai kiada father ki kiada le besano bi ko chitir me he ta bada yamna nungai ta ba yamna hangoi ba adu ka taja ning de ba ko yamna chakhacha da ba adu ba incident sama boy adu lona last in hajadori ai ki janu pida natar ko yum sida anything incidents of the Dr. Sukumar magi family adu ga haiba ronala sana daito pugdan no ese.
It's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news updates. Stay tuned.
Radiant Tutorial Yumnam Lekai Imphal, run by well-experienced CBSE school teachers. Admission open for Class 9 and 10 CBSE Summative Assessment 2. Class starts on 6th October 2016. Class timing 4:40 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. Subjects offered: English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Features: regular unit tests, study materials, MCQ and study tour. Van service is also available.
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Radigo with 800cc. Subnatagi lak anigalising ni punipan piba car asigi features singdi ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer. Book to bihoro gariasi ngasi mag showroom da laktuna leire. Test drive kidamak lengsin birao Island Nissan near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Radigo.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. ADC Senapati Contract Basis Appointed Teachers Association lambasted Tribal Affairs and Hills Commissioner T. Palmer's statement that the recruitment of primary teachers by Chief Executive Officer of ADC Senapati was illegal. The association warned of intense agitation in all the hill districts if their demands are not met. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, ADC Senapati Contract Basis Appointed Teachers Association member and former ADC Chairman R.S. Henry said ADC Senapati appointed 136 teachers for 27 schools in Senapati district in 2011 with the permission of the then Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister Punja Thangton Singh. He said the association cannot accept the claim of the Tribal Affairs and Hills Commissioner and asked the government to treat Hills and Valley equally in education sector.
Manipur Hill Area District Council Act 1971 gi matimina section 29 subclause 4 gi matimina masi government aikhoina appoint tawgani haiba chaptana leibani government katke harebusu Manipur Legislative Assembly Hill Area Committee Order 1972 gi matimina provision for subclause 4 imating ina kakadabani ngasi thokiba nalani white aibasi chapa yaroe.
The victims of January 4th earthquake from Hongman, Kongbal have not received any compensation from the government. 13 houses including school, church were destroyed in the earthquake in the village under Cycle block in Senapati district. Volunteers of Information and Center for Hill Areas Committee Icham, Manipur today visited the village to see the condition of the villages. The quake victims said they have not been provided any assistance by the government. Icham President N. Rajendra expressed the apprehension that the officials might have misappropriated the compensation. The villagers asked the government to clarify why they were not given assistance when other affected people have been given compensation.
Kari ground no Canada ngang na no kari criteria kari condition of fulfill the se asi asmaiti di khalli asmaiti padi khande haibugum su leijala adu su khangdra bina khoi di ngasi lai ngai si da noi ki through si degi akhoi na khangning ibuna phare ani khamdu su khal lekba leiba yadraba yumbani adugum du no khalak du no kari gino haibudu dang su khoi khangning ba
akhoi gi mapi ma pane na leiba ma khoina magi masa sing na awaba tara kan magi imung manung na awaba tara kan da Ming Sangbidravnina, Nashidi, Akoigi, Isamgi Mating Amaka, Madame the true media Tauraga. Government Yam Puxen Siang, the Towi Netra told they have say Manipur Miam, Amadi Center, government, the Kangan Bab say, Akoigi, right Amaka Lavnina, Madukaki, Akoi true media, Kudung Sabalogzavani.
JAC against brutal killing of Mohammad Nausad Khan at Nganglo Lokon Lilong was warned to continue the band at Ketrigao Naharuk Lambi until police arrest accused in the murder of Mohammad Ajmer and punished. Members of the JAC today blocked Ketrigao Naharuk Lambi since morning and prevented movement of all kinds of vehicles. Shops also remain closed. Meanwhile, people have decided to hold a memorial service for Mohammad Saddam, who died in a violent incident on the 26th of this month, every year on September 27th. Scuffles occurred between the JAC and police during the Band today. Police fired tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. The situation was controlled after officer in charge of Imphal East Police Station, A.K. Shantikumar, talked with the protesters.
Mi hat pada chenari ba izina JC ki kangbu amadi club ki president secretary hatokani haiba phone da dhamka torok pase proof recording se khoi da leire akoi Khetrigao kendra da sugum ba thodok wa thokta asuk chauna thoi bisida mapi mapa oiba mayam sing sina yaudri basina yauro roi da bo de handak election lak tor si jo boycott tawne ba khoina thodok sida leikhidraba angang asigi chahi khudingi oina All Manipur Muslim Development Organization na September 27 jibo magi ningsing pan lo loina chahi khudingi khoi pangthokani Khetrigao gi.
3 houses in a church were partially destroyed in a fire that broke out at 3rd Street, Marvenk, New Lambuland in Imphal East. The cause of the fire was not immediately known and the losses due to the fire are also yet to be estimated. The fire, which broke out around 10:30 this morning, partially damaged Evangelical Free Church and 3 houses belonging to Lalchong Langte, Laliankum Langte and Lalropring. Fire tenders controlled the fire and prevented more damage. Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM slammed Desam for seeking clarification from 3 editors of the book Claims and Refutations compilation on Inner Line Permit System. PCCM said if necessary it will represent the editors in the court. Desam drew the attention of VC of Central Agricultural University to allow admissions for 11 seats in BAC Agri and 7 seats in BTech for the session 2016 and 17 by the end of this month. The 5th Festival of Literature began at Maharaja Chandrakirti Auditorium in Palace Compound today. The 2-day festival is jointly organized by Sahitya Academy and Manipur State Kala Academy. The inaugural function was attended by Sahitya Academy awardee Kumanthem Prakash, Arts and Culture Commissioner K. Radha Kumar Singh and people associated with literary world. A symposium on the topic, The Importance of Translation in Literature, was held and short stories were read out. There will be a poetry reading session tomorrow.
khuding mangna amana amagi lol khang bai basi oithokte ko amaga amaga chin nak sin na ge amagi wakal lama
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯪꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯖꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯀꯩꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯤ.
Third Irabot Remembrance Day was held from September 24 to 26 at Topsifai Makha Laikai Community Hall. Ningthen Laima Nupi Marup in a press release thanked the people for the support. Miss Manipur contest will be held in December after a break for a few years. Well-known Manipuri model Heli Laithangbam and Sonia Phairinbam will jointly organize the Miss Manipur contest 2016 under the aegis of state-level Miss Manipur committee on December 6 this year at Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre. Speaking to media persons, contest event manager Sonia Phairinbam said arrangements are being made to hold a beauty pageant. She appealed to all this to support the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯃꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯐꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯡꯐꯪ ꯐꯪꯗꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯕꯟ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
Now to sports news. In a match of the 3rd Imphal West District Division Football League tournament played today, Juvenile Club Tira Sapam Lairak and USC Kodompopi netted 2 goals each to end the match in a draw. In another match, TDC Mayang Langjing beat YUC Maijrao 3-1. Naucha Arun and Roni Kanta netted the goals for the winner. In a match of Shri Shri Gopal Dev League Cum Knockout Kang tournament played today, Gopal Dev Kankut High School beat Nambol Kankut 29-24. 9 Kankut are competing in the tournament organized by Gopal Dev Kankut High School at Shri Shri Gopal Dev Mandap High School. Chingthang Lairinbi Kankut Nambol Bamdiar will play Singjamai Kankut tomorrow. Kaishamthong Kendra Kankut beat Kundrakpam Kendra Kankut 21-14 in a league match of the 5th Mangsatabam Iboyaima and Punyabati Memorial League Cum Knockout Kendra Wise Kang Tournament and Namairakpam Mandop Cum Community Hall, Singtamai Chingamathak. Singtamai Kendra Kankut and Nambol Kendra Kankut will meet in the first quarter final on September 30th. S. Bidya Rani Devi 53 kg, K. Roshilata Devi 63 kg, S. Nirupama 69 kg and C.H. Rishikant Singh 56 kg have been selected to participate in the Commonwealth Championship of Youth Junior and Senior and Youth World Weightlifting Championship 2016 to be held from October 18 to 25 in Penang, Malaysia. The 3rd Imphal West District Level Boxing Championship kicked off today at Kuman Lampak Boxing Arena. The championship is organized by Imphal West District Amateur Boxing Association under the aegis of Manipur Amateur Boxing Association. 72 boxers are taking part in the tournament. Senior Vice President of Boxing Federation of India, Khoibi Salam and international boxer Laishram Sarita Devi were among those present at the opening event. In 48 kg sub-junior women's TBA units, Bindia Devi Naurim has entered semi-finals. In 40 kg sub-junior men's SRBA units, L. Idipag and 42 kg IND units, A. Ramakanta have reached the final. Khoibi Salam of Manipur has been elected Senior Vice President of Boxing Federation of India. He was elected uncontested at the meeting of the Federation held on September 25th at Tendulkar Gymnasium in Mumbai. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Union Environment Minister cautions people to save water bodies for the future generation. Governor Najma Heptullah opens international conference, stresses significance of cultural relation among people. Chauba accuses Chief Minister Ibobi of misleading the people on special status category. And students log A block of Manipur University demanding admission for 2016-17 session.